I'm Jake, and today we're going to show you how to install this table base on a pre-drilled top. First thing we do is install the receiver. 6 wood screws and install them inside the receiver. It may look a little tight, but it fits perfectly with a standard drill bit. And then we'll install the other side the exact same way. Next, we're going to install the cross arms. Make sure to install the short flatter piece underneath the receiver. Next, we'll do the other cross arm the exact same way. Next, we'll install a spanner bar. This is what makes the table base width adjustable from 48 inches all the way to 72 inches. When installing the spanner bar, simply go over top your receivers and make sure your holes line up so you can get your cords through. Next, we're going to install screws in the holes that line up between the receiver and the spanner bar. On this 60-inch work surface, that'll be 4 screws. Depending on the width of your desk, that may differ. Now that we've got the top frame fully secured to the work surface, we're going to install the columns. The first step is to take your cord and feed it through the hole provided on the top frame. When installing the column, pull the cord taut. Install the toe onto the pin and snap it into place. Now we're going to do the other side the exact same way. Feed the cord through, toe on the pin, and snap. Next, we're going to install the feet. These are asymmetrical feet, and each foot takes 4 bolts. I'm going to get each bolt lightly tightened, then I'm going to go back and tighten all 4 of them down. Now let's do the other side. Next, we're going to install the power supply. This is not a control box. All the programming is on the motor of this inline drive system. One thing to remember when installing the power supply is to leave a small gap between the spanner bar and the power supply. This is so you can feed wires behind it. We're going to add 2 wood screws into the holes provided on the power supply. Now we're going to take our columns and connect them to our power supply. This power supply has 4 ports. It doesn't matter which port you put them in. Next, we're going to secure the handset to the work surface using 2 wood screws. Next, we're going to feed the handset connection cord through the top frame and over to the power supply. And simply plug it into any port. Now, let's manage all these cables. First, feed as much of the cable as you can within the top frame. Give yourself a little bit of slack so you're not pulling too tight on the power supply. Now let's use these cord clamps to secure the cords to the work surface. One of the last few steps is to add your power cord, get a team member to help you flip it over, add your cable management, and you're ready to go. Now let's install some cable management. You'll start off by attaching the work surface attachment piece in line with the leg. Now snap the cable manager into the work surface attachment piece. Now feed your power cable right through the cable manager.